In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the fender liner on your Subaru Crosstrek. This is located in the front of the vehicle, behind your wheel. Let's get started. Now we're going to use a 19mm socket to remove the wheels. Make sure you put the lug nuts somewhere that you're not going to lose them and you're not going to kick them around the space. Now, remove the wheel. We'll remove these two screws using a number 2 Phillips head. We'll remove the bottom clip holding the mud flap on. If the outer part of the clip turns while you're trying to turn the inner part, hold the outer part with your finger, give it a twist back and forth. And we can remove the mud flap. We'll remove the 10mm at the front of the fender liner. We'll remove the 2 clips at the front of the fender liner. For this, you can use a flathead screwdriver or a clip tool. We'll remove the other clip in the front of the fender liner. We can pop down the front of the fender liner. We'll go ahead and remove our clips on the inside of the fender liner. With all of our clips removed, we can remove our fender liner. Now we can start to install our new fender liner. You want to work the fender liner in the opposite way that you took it out. We're going to start working in the back side, working our way towards the front. Once we have the fender liner most of the way in, we can start installing our clips. We'll reinstall our 10mm screw. Be cautious not to over-tighten this. And we can install the clips in the front portion of the fender liner. We can reinstall our mud flap. Start with the bottom clip, and then we'll move up to the 2 screws. Be careful not to over-tighten these. Support the bottom of the wheel so that it's flat on the hub. If you thread the first lug in most of the way, it'll hold the wheel on for you. Snug them down, but not too tight, because you want to be able to torque them and have them move when you do so. And now we're going to torque the lugs down to 89 foot-pounds. Make sure you're going in a star pattern to bring everything down evenly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.